If you suspect that your TikTok account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to restore your account. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device. If you are logged out, go to the login screen. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the process to reset your password. Step 3. Choose your recovery method. You will be prompted to choose how you want to receive the password reset link. You can select either your email address or phone number associated with your account. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. If you chose email, check your inbox for password reset email from TikTok. If you chose SMS, look for a text message with the reset link. Follow the link provided in the email or text. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the reset link, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. After setting the new password, log into your account. After completing these steps, ensure your account is secure by enabling two-factor authentication and reviewing your account settings for any unauthorized changes.